In this tutorial, we shall be learning how to convert Excel worksheet to PDF document inside the Excel template. First, install PDF editor of your choice. In this tutorial, I am using Nitro Pro PDF editor. Once you have installed your PDF, open the Excel worksheet you want to convert to PDF. You will see the PDF icon at the top right hand of the worksheet. Click on it. The first icon at the left is Create PDF. Click the Create PDF icon. A dialog box will come up, telling you that your work has to be saved first before continuing. Click OK. Choose the folder you want to save your PDF. Give your file a name. Click Save. Once finished, your Excel worksheet will be instantly converted to PDF document. Hope you have gotten some values from this tutorial. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share with family and friends. Have a great day.